Hi everyone and warm welcome to another wonderful episode of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this video I want to talk about one of the best known selling card from the house of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So I'm talking about a specific card which I've used for almost a year and a half and then I gave it up, and trust me, this is one of the best selling cards from the house of Kotak Bank, and the name of the card is Glossy Kotak Mahindra Mojo credit card. One of the best ongoing credit card from the house of Kotak Mahindra Bank for people those who earn at least annually 4 lakh rupees. Now when you get this particular card, you get two multiple offers. Number one, you have to pay a fees of 1,000 rupees plus GST, but the same fees is going to get waived off if you spend 30k within 90 working days. So if you are able to do it, the first joining fees is going to be waived off within 90 to 120 days. And apart from the renewal fee of this card is almost the same, 1,000 rupees. That is also going to get waived off when you spend, if I'm not mistaken, close to 1 lakh rupees in a fiscal annum whenever you have got this particular card. So any which ways, this card becomes absolutely lifetime free for you, at least for the first year and second year, if you happen to have 1 lakh spent each year and your job is done. But apart from this card, one of the reasons I've called this card as one of the best ongoing card is because of its unique features. So let's first talk about some of the unique features. Number one, this particular card gives you an option called Kotak Mahindra Assist. Let me help you with that particular point. Now normally when you go for a customer care call, you really got to wait. Kotak Assist is one of those options wherein you have to type in from your registered mobile number and send it to 567-6788, and the Kotak Mahindra Bank from the credit card, they come back to you on priority and talk to you based on your request. So that's one of the highlights which I felt makes a lot of sense, even though it may not give you $1,000 or rupees as such, but then assistance to customer can be a huge plus point. That's positive point number one. Number two, it has an option called milestone benefits. Now the milestone benefit of this particular card is 75k in a fiscal year. When you attend 75k milestone in a fiscal year, you get 2500 Kotak Mahindra reward points. Now these reward points have a trick as well. So initially if you go for one reward point, the value is 0.25 paise, but there are categories like hotel category with the Amazon, Flipkart vouchers, and of course statement credit. If you take with the help of these options, the valuation of these points are going to be 0.40 paisa, which are kind of a unique feature compared to the normal rate of interest other credit cards give you, barring American Express and Top Notch. So this is very unique that they have two different options: normal redemption 0.25, but you have 4 to 5 important categories 0.40, especially statement against credit in case if you want to do it. Let's move on towards the Mojo reward points on the entire story. So whenever you spend 100 rupees online, you're going to get 2.5 Mojo unlimited points. On the other category, if you happen to have online, not non-online based, you're going to get 1 Mojo reward point on spent 100. Now apart from these wonderful points, you also have railway surcharge. So if you're booking a ticket on the counter, you get 2.5% waiver, whereas if you go online IRCTC, 1.88% waiver you're also going to get, which is a nice approach when it comes to giving customers some sort of a value, if not the best, in form of rewards and multiplications. Let's move towards the annual lounge access policy. With this particular bank, the annual lounge access policy is of 8 domestic with the help of Dream Folks Indian Airport lounges. So it means you got to have 2 per quarter lounge access within India if you're holding a card called Kotak Mojo credit card from the house of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Well, that's it. It's a simple card, simple calculation, no tantrums, no hanky-panky, and I think one of the best known ongoing cards from the house of Kotak Mahindra Bank even today. In case if you have any questions, do let me know. A very important reminder, I am closing my Instagram account, the old one, and if you are already connected, I have already posted a link to join on the new Instagram account and Facebook and X Connect. Tonight, post 12 o'clock, that account will be deleted. So in case if you have not joined yet, please join me immediately and stay connected. If you have any need of any of the American Express credit card and all of the Indian credit card banking system and the approval, everything is down below. And not to forget, as I've requested, the Aurum and Stand Chartered process is ongoing, and on Monday, that is tomorrow, I'm connecting with the leads with, I think I've got 5 to 6 names, those who have spoken to me via Instagram, and those names are going to be shared with the RMs of Stand Chartered and so-called SBI Aurum. Till next time, you take care and thanks for joining.